Okay, we're going to continue our review video here with question 4 from the Unit 10 review. This question says that we have 8 customers that are trying to place their orders at a coffee shop, but one of them volunteers to move to the back of the line because they haven't decided on what they'd like yet. So we're trying to figure out how many different ways the group of customers can line up at the register. So this is very similar to question 1, except there aren't as many restrictions as there have been in question 1. So in this case, we have 8 customers, and only one of them is being specific about where they're going to stand. So I have 8 spots to fill in line, and only the last customer is specific, which means there's only one option for the one person who wants to stand at the back of the line. There's only one option there because only one person has volunteered to go there, which means I'm going to take whatever this number of options is and multiply it by the one option I have for the person at the end of the line using that fundamental counting principle. So to figure out the rest of the 7 customers standing in line, they haven't given us any other restrictions for how these people can line up. So we have 7 remaining customers out of the 8 that we started with, and we have to arrange them here. So if I have a total number of people that I need to arrange, I have 7 options for the first spot, I have 6 options for the second spot, and so on and so on. I actually have, for this space here, 7 factorial options for how I can arrange everybody to stand at the front of this line. I can multiply that by the one option I have for the person who's going to stand at the end of the line. So the total answer here is actually going to be 7 factorial times 1, which is just 7 factorial. So if I type 7 factorial into my calculator, I can see that my answer is 5,040 number of ways to arrange these 8 customers in line if the one person wants to stay at the back. We can go ahead and move on to question 5. We have a tourist who wants to visit 11 attractions while on vacation. They have to visit 5 during their first week because of time constraints, I'm sure. So we're trying to figure out how many ways the tourist can choose 5 destinations if the order in which they visit them doesn't matter. So it doesn't matter if they go to Disney first or Universal or SeaWorld, because they are still going to be excited about the chance to visit all of the places altogether. So because the order does not matter, that means that we're choosing 5 out of a total of 11. Since the order doesn't matter, we're going to be using a combination. Combinations mean the order doesn't matter. So we have to do the NCR method. The N, of course, is our total number of options, which is 11. And we're going to choose 5 of these to visit during the first week. And that's all of the work we have to write down on paper until our final answer. The rest we just type in the calculator. So in the calculator, I'm going to hit 11, and then I'm going to go to my choose option and type in the number 5. 11, choose 5, and the answer for that is 462 ways for them to visit all of their destinations. That's it for question 5. For question 6, we're looking at an ice cream parlor that offers 32 flavors of ice cream, but they have a special offer so that you can receive a discounted price if you order a bowl of 3 different flavors at once. So how many different ways can you order this bowl? Now, it's not going to matter if they put the chocolate in the bowl first, then the vanilla, then the strawberry, or any other combination. The order is not going to matter. So because the order does not matter, and we're choosing 3 out of 32 flavors, we're going to be using the combination method for this as well. So we're going to be using NCR because the order does not matter. So the total number of flavors is going to go first, 32 flavors, and out of those we're going to choose 3 flavors. Again, that's all we have to write down on our paper until our final answer. So we're going to do 32 in our calculator, we're going to choose 3, and our final answer is going to be 4,960 ways to order this special discounted bowl of ice cream. That's it for this video. We're going to pick up with question 7 in the next video.